going to lock the gate, some 3 gentlemen from nowhere, they pushed it open, and they were loaded with guns. If my memory is right, I don't handle ammunition, but I believe the 2 had the AK-47 and 1 had the G3. Now, the house guy rushed back to the house, screaming, followed by one of the thugs. And me, I was just standing in the veranda. If I was to be canned, I was the one to be canned just in the veranda. And then one of the thugs, I think when he realized that, he left to the house and then came for me. Then he pulled me again back through the kitchen. Then they had forced my wife and the friend up, and the cow was still running. So when I came, they told them to stand up, and we were all to surrender. They took us to the house. For them, they put them to kneel in the sitting room. Me, I was being chuckled around. They wanted to track where the house girl has gone to. I told them I don't know where the house girl has gone to, because me, I was in the veranda side, and we came with her through the kitchen, so I don't know where she is. So we searched the rooms, they didn't see the house girl. So they took me back in the sitting room, where my family were forced to kneel. When we went back, they told them to lie flat, and now they told my wife to go upstairs. And me, I was just being chuckled around in the sitting room. One of the bedroom, the main entrance door, to the kitchen. They wanted money. I told them I don't have money. I've had quite a number of challenges. It's a very challenging period. And I say even now as we are talking, I'm supposed to be attending a funeral, which I have not managed to travel up country because of work issues. And then they said, no, we need money. I told them I don't have money. They said, now what can you give us? I don't know what you want to take. They said, is that money? I said, no, that's a laptop bag. And it just has documents. And what is the laptop? I said, it is on the table. I was working on my reports for board meeting next week, Tuesday. So they emptied the laptop bag, all the documents. They said, they will not take the documents, by the way. Even my wallet, they returned because there was only ATM and my ID. Then, of course, he was doing that with the left hand while putting the weapon on my neck. He loaded it in the bag, he picked the charger, then he pulled me again to the main entrance door. Told me to lift my left hand. I lifted. He picked the ring. That's the time I had 2 bullets. And the gentleman said, now, umemaliza. Then they pulled me to the kitchen and pushed me back. They said, if you scream, we shall come and finish the whole family. So they pushed me back, lucky enough I didn't fall. I ran back and I locked the steel door. I locked the steel door. And then I ran the front part, I locked. That's the time I put the alarm on. Rushed upstairs to check what has happened to my dear wife and to confirm that he's dead. And profusely bleeding. He got 2 bullets in the head. And that is it. So when neighbors came, of course the security around, they came from our local police station here. They engaged their colleagues, put us the crime scene, dusting and other things. But these are people who are well prepared because they were wearing industrial gloves. And they had muffins. They got muffins. Now you can only see the eye here. And most of the time I was just being pushed. So you could not know who is this or whatever, no.